Welcome to Bike North. Hey, Happy New Year's. First ride of the New Year. January 1st. You watching Blue Bike North channel. Run an intro. GoPro stop recording. My new motto for New Year's, fuck it. He is who he is. I'm gonna be the same old, probably gonna be worse an asshole this year than I was last year. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? Was I just talking out loud? I put on my face, okay, you know, my cloak or whatever. Hey, put on that happy face. Oh Lord, it was 34 degrees this morning an hour ago. 34.7 degrees. It has been sitting out in the sun, but it ain't warmed up none. So we're gonna ride with a Southern Cruiser, buddies. Well, I don't know. I think I put on 40 pounds over the holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas and all them. Yep. Eating too much. Guess I gotta go on my New Year resolution and be on a diet till February. Hey, I was gonna ask you how your mama them. Yep, how your mama them? How you have a good and happy New Year? I went to bed at 11:30. I just said, fuck it. A lot of people ain't gonna like me, but I don't give a rat's crap anymore. He is who he is. Hey, hello, hey. We got a good crowd. Got like a 17, 18 bikes. Bunch of Can-Ams. Yep. Oh, got cramp. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5 Can-Ams here. Bunch of Harleys. Bunch of Gold Wings. Those are a wild mixture. And a Yamaha. Maybe we've got one Yamaha. And a Honda car. Big group, big group. I think I counted 17 or 18 because I think 2 came in late. There's a lot, 2 up. A lot of women riders. I think we got 3 riding now. So it's gonna be a good day. We can make it through these red lights. We're here in Villa Rica, Georgia. Oh, bad boys. What you gonna do? We mind if we search your vehicle? I smell marijuana. It did warm up to 52 degrees, 53.6. Feels real good. Sun's out, no cloud in the sky. Pretty day, pretty day. It's not that far because they said it was going to be cold, but it ain't cold. It's nice. I'll show you what we got. Incoming message. GoPro stop recording. Talking about that roundabout? Yeah, that's going to be one of them dangerous roundabouts because it's out here in Villa Rica and a lot of traffic on that road. And it's a 2-lane roundabout. Oh, we turning here. Okay. Didn't nobody give no hand signals. There goes a, got a F3 and a F3 and the rest of RTs. So we got 5 spiders. Yeah. So we on Legion Lake Road. I don't know if I ever been on this road. Probably has, but don't remember. I don't remember nothing anymore. Yeah, don't know who these are. Bunch of them, more than them noise. Mixture of stuff. They blocked the road for themselves. I don't know where they going, who they was. Like American Legion post or something. Man, I'm missing. English is not my first language today. This Horsley Town Road is a pretty dang good road. I mean, I done scraping footboards around these curves. It's a nice smooth road too. Also, it's pretty long too. While we've been on it, I might have to Google it when I figure out how to get back over here. Alrighty then. Just thought y'all might want to know that. Well, we almost here, and it has, I don't know, we took a wrong turn somewhere, but it's 56 degrees, and it feels hot. I'm burning up, too much clothes on. Ready to shed these leathers and Dixon flannel. We ain't closer to Atlanta. Hiram, Georgia. Right around the corners. Big Doug. Well, there's Big Doug's place established in 2024. Lord have mercy. We ain't never gonna get in here. Jeez. I think we're gonna have to move some people. We out in the road, people. Ain't gonna be nowhere to park. People try to force their way around. This ought to be fun. I'll park right there.
Your wife wants to know about my projector I got.
Alright, well, it's 3:21. What that temperature is? 56 degrees. I don't know if it warmed up or not. Feels good in the sun. Now we're waiting everybody to get it organized here. Which some of us going back different, most of us going back different ways. We're rolling out now. Living on gin and juice. Rolling in your heart. Got my money on the mind and mine on my money. Oh, it was a good day. Good day. Happy New Year's. Gotta start planning them 2026 rides. Yep. So if you would, you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button over there and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you down the road.